Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are taking a look at not only a very rare dagger, but in this condition almost unfindable dagger. This is the Railway second model and it is an absolutely amazing piece. This one is made by Eickhorn in aluminum. It has an aluminum crossguard, aluminum pommel, and a steel scabbard that is highly polished to make it look like aluminum. It is, however, steel and magnetic. You can see the typical style of this dagger, which is what we call Art Deco. Here we have the railway symbol. It's a train wheel with wings. The black grip. This is a typical Eickhorn grip. And then the pommel, which has the swastika. Really nice. So, let's take a look at the blade, shall we? The blade, as to be expected, in mint condition. It is full of cross grain. Just amazing to look at. And on the back we have the Eickhorn logo. Beautiful Eickhorn etched logo. What an amazing piece. I am so stoked to have this one in the collection. Really happy. Thank you guys for watching.